10 common cybersecurity mistakes and how to avoid them. Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack happens. That means while you are watching this video, someone's system is being hacked right now. And here is the scary part. It's usually not because of some high-level sophisticated breach. It's because of simple mistakes, avoidable ones. Things like weak password, skipping an update, or clicking one wrong link. These are the everyday's error. I have seen wipe out businesses, cost people their jobs, and ruin reputation. But the good news? Once you know what to look out for, you can stop 90% of these attacks before they even begin. I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of matrixbricks. We help businesses build safer, smarter, and more resilient digital ecosystems. I have seen in this space for over 15 years working with companies of all sizes, and let me tell you, when a cybersecurity breach happens, it hits fast and hard. But I have also seen how small, smart decisions can make us massive differences. Alright, let's walk through this one by one. Not with complicated tactics, but with simple, practical things you can actually do. 1. Using weak or repeated passwords. If your passwords is QWERTY or admin123, we have got a problem. Using your name, birthday, or password 123 just doesn't cut it anymore. And if you are recycling that same password across multiple accounts, that's like locking every door in your house with the same flimsy key. Start using Password Manager. It takes the pressure off your memory and protects your account with long, complex password you don't have to remember. And yes, two-factor authentication, it adds a second lock, and it really works. Number 2, skipping software updates. I get it. You are in the middle of work. That update notification pops up and you hit remind me later again. But what you are postponing might actually be a fix to a security hole that hackers are already exploiting. Turn on automatic updates where you can. Make it boring and consistent, because boring is good when it comes to a cybersecurity. Trusting public Wi-Fi. Coffee shop Wi-Fi might feel harmless, but it's one of the easiest places for cyber criminals to snoop around. They don't need to be expert, they just need to be nearby. If you work remotely or travel a lot, get a VPN. It creates a secure tunnel that shields your data even on the sketchiest networks. Not training your team? This one's big. You could have the best security system in the world, and one person clicking the wrong link could bring it all down. Most breaches come from a human error, not hacking genius. So don't just protect your tech, educate your team. Run short training sessions. Show them what a phishing email looks like. Make cybersecurity part of company culture. Not backing up your data. Here is a nightmare. Ransomware locks up your files and you have no clean backup. Suddenly, you are at their mercy, and paying up doesn't guarantee your data coming back. Regular secure backups should be non-negotiable. Automate them if possible and store one copy offline. Think of it as your business insurance, only cheaper. Giving too much access to too many people. This happens all the time. Someone joins the company and we just give them access to everything, just in case. Months later, they are still in the systems with full permissions and they don't even work there anymore. Limit access based on rules. Keep a checklist for offboarding and review permissions every few months. It takes minutes but can save you from major headaches. Relying on outdated security tools. Using antivirus from 5 years ago is like locking your front door but leaving the windows wide open. Threats evolve fast and old tools don't keep up. Invest in updated intelligent security software, especially if you are handle sensitive customer or financial data. It's not about spending more, it's about spending smart. Misconfiguring cloud services. I have seen businesses leak thousands of customer records because someone forgot to change the default setting in their cloud dashboard. And no, The cloud provider won't always catch it for you. Make sure your cloud storage is properly configured. Check your permissions, set up alerts. Don't assume that default means secure because it usually doesn't. Ignoring mobile security. Phones are mini computers now. We do everything from emailing to banking on them. If you are not securing your phone, you are walking around with a data leak in your pocket. Use biometrics, encryption, and remote wipe tools. And if you are giving employees access to company system from mobile, set up a mobile device management. It's easier than ever to implement. Thinking you are too small to be target? Last but not the least, I have heard people say we are just a small business, no one would want to hack us. But here is the truth. Hackers prefer small businesses, less protection, fewer resources, and just as much valuable data. Cybersecurity isn't about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. Start with small, consistent actions, and you will be miles ahead of most companies out there. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be overwhelming. It just needs to be intentional. I had loved to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you seen or even made in your own team or business? Drop it in the comments and let's talk solutions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs cybersecurity. See you in the next video.